Welcome. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to book a yacht for your next Thailand adventure, even if you're completely new to the process. We'll explore the features of the site, explaining each stage clearly, so you can confidently set up your trip. Let's dive in. To start, head to the homepage, where you'll find an easy search bar. You can enter your preferred location, dates, and number of guests. Once entered, a list of available yachts will appear, each with photos, descriptions, and clear price listings to help you compare. Take a few minutes to browse these, noting not only the aesthetics of each yacht but also the practical details like size, amenities, and crew options. Click on a yacht to view more details. Here, you'll find specifications about the vessel's make, capacity, and amenities offered, including crew service, Wi-Fi, or extra leisure equipment. Some listings have verified customer reviews, giving you a first-hand look at past experiences. This is a great resource to ensure you're booking a reliable vessel. When you've chosen the perfect yacht, it's time to review the pricing. The site offers transparent cost breakdowns, so you know exactly what you're paying for, including any extra fees, security deposits, or optional services. It's wise to confirm what's included and what might be added later, like fuel or docking fees, as this can vary between yachts. Next, click Book to begin the reservation. You'll fill in contact details and see a final overview of your selected yacht, booking dates, and costs. At this stage, you may have options for additional insurance or unique requests, which can be adjusted to fit your trip's needs. Make sure to double-check everything before finalizing. Consider the cancellation policy. Depending on the yacht or season, these policies vary. Some allow for full refunds within certain time frames, while others may charge partial fees. Once you're satisfied, proceed with the payment. It's secure and often allows for different payment methods, adding convenience. Midway through your booking, don't forget to check the link in the description for a quick way to get started on your own yacht adventure. After confirming, you'll receive a booking summary by email, including contact information for your crew or the yacht's owner. Many owners are responsive and happy to answer additional questions about the trip or help arrange specifics like catering or water sport rentals. The entire process is designed to be straightforward, making it perfect for beginners who may feel unsure. Booking a yacht can be intimidating, but with this guide, you'll find it's easier than you might expect. Ready to set sail? Hit the link in my description and subscribe to the channel for more travel insights. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you navigate your yacht booking.